we are at this awesome studio and I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes of a photo shoot. So first up, I'm going to show you the time lapse of my very first makeup look, and then we will cycle through some of the different looks and yeah, take you guys behind the scenes, show you what it's like to do one of these photo shoots. There are a bunch of awesome different setups in this space that we're gonna use. Here's our makeup setup. And we have Edward working his magic because I did not look like this when I woke up this morning. This is our second look. Because I'm a slacker, we didn't get the first look, but I guess better late than never.
There you go. That's the money.
We're just gonna take a whole ton. Gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Okay. Pop in, yeah, whatever you need to.
This is our third look, very red carpet-ish. I'm gonna go to the Oscars after our shoot.
Angelina Jolie.
Oh, hell yeah.
What was that one dress in the black? Shit, give me that hand up. That was gorgeous. Turn up. Good, right there. Look that way. And then back over here at me. Gorgeous. Just a little bug. No harm. Oh, stunning. That's a perfect face.
We have Edward and Rachel working their magic. And Katie capturing it all. It takes a village.
Behind the scenes people that come talk to me.
Thanks for helping me out, guys.
You're welcome.
That's your recycle line.
Yep. Giving her nothing to work with. No witty banter, nothing.
I mean, it's not like I'm really doing it.
Look number 4.
Look number 4, multitasking. Thank you for this earring.
Don't tell me the designer. Come on.
How's the new makeup look?
Did you ever see the Night Manager?
I've probably seen it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna straighten it here real quick. That's it.
Getting there. Our last look, we're sneaking one last look in. Because everyone here is being a champ. And I'm very thankful.
Last look. Oh, love the red lip on that. And that's a wrap. It's been
full 5 hours, so we've been here for a while, but I'm really excited to see the pictures. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, and I can't even talk anymore because it's so late, but I hope you guys have a good night and see you on the next one.